How to make coconut oil toothpaste without baking soda. Coconut oil can be used in making organic toothpaste for a clean wash and fresh breath. In this video, I will be sharing with you simple ways you can make your own coconut oil in your kitchen without the use of baking soda or any other toxic compound. Why you should make your own homemade toothpaste. Many of the popular brands of toothpaste contain SLS and other chemical compounds that may harm your teeth, gum, and the environment. It is more cost-effective when you make your toothpaste, as you save a few bucks and you get more quantity for less compared to when you buy a small tube and have to pay for shipping or transport yourself to the store. You are certain of the ingredients used and the production process that when you buy an already made paste for your dental hygiene, you know little or nothing about the active ingredients and how it was produced. Why you shouldn't use baking soda in your homemade toothpaste. Baking soda is often used in homemade toothpaste because it acts as a gentle abrasive that helps remove stains. However, excessive use of baking soda may lead to enamel wear over time, especially if used aggressively. Quality homemade toothpaste should be able to leave you with a healthy tooth and gum and not leave you with sores and injuries after frequent use. What you need to make your own organic homemade toothpaste. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a major ingredient in most organic and homemade toothpaste due to its teeth whitening ability. It contains lauric acid, a strong antibacterial that helps to fight against tooth cavities, bad breath, and tooth decay. Its soft texture makes it a good agent to use in a paste. Common salt. Salt has mild abrasive properties and may help balance the pH in the mouth. However, it does not perform the same function as baking soda, as baking soda is more effective at neutralizing acid and removing stains. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has antibacterial properties and may help freshen breath. However, some people may be sensitive to cinnamon and experience irritation. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is great at removing stains, fighting bacteria, and leaves you with a fresh breath. Xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that also helps reduce bacteria that cause cavities. It is often included in natural toothpaste as a sugar alternative. Step-by-step guide on how to make coconut oil toothpaste without baking soda. Ingredients: half cup of coconut oil, 4 teaspoons of xylitol, 12 to 15 drops of peppermint oil, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of salt. Directions: soften the coconut oil if necessary by warming it slightly. Dissolve the salt in a small amount of water to make it less abrasive. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly using a spoon or blender until they form a paste. Store in a small glass jar or a clean container with a tight lid. To use, scoop a small amount with a clean spoon and apply it to your toothbrush. By making your own homemade coconut oil toothpaste with the above ingredients and directions, you can be certain of a quality product that will leave your teeth, gum, and mouth clean and healthy. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.